Hey guys, how is it going? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this one, oops, excuse my phone notifications there. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can enter Mercer's house in Skyrim, also known as Riftweld Manor. So let's get right into it. First of all, Riftweld Manor is located in Riften, and this location is part of the Thieves Guild questline, or is accessible through the questline. So once you get the quest to actually search for Mercer, after you find out that he is a traitor and so on and so forth, you'll be tasked with coming to this house. It will be shown on the map where it is exactly in Riften, but what you want to do, the gist of it is the door has been blocked, and what you want to do is go through this gate, lockpick it, and enter his backyard pretty much. Over there you will be confronted by this here tough guy known as Vald. He is pretty much the backyard guard of Mercer's estate, I guess you could say. You want to kill him and loot him. He does have a key for the manor, so make sure you do that. I mean, you won't have any chance he'll detect you and attack you, so kill him, loot him, and get the key. Now, to actually access the manor, when you're in the backyard, you will see this here mechanism up top. This is what the backyard looks like with these stairs over here, but you'll see that it is not reachable. To actually reach it, what you want to do, I don't know if you can shout. This person here in the screenshot is shouting. I think you can do that. However, 100% I know that an arrow will work. What you want to do is shoot this here mechanism next to the falling ladder, and once you shoot it, it'll fall down and you can enter the door just as you would normally. And yeah, that's been about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be seeing you guys in another video.